Hashtag short, guys. Real quick, I want to go over some things with you guys. Y'all see this? My buddy here having problems with connection, battery connection. However, look at this, guys. This is what they give them at the parts department. However, take a closer look at these terminals. They are not replaceable, guys. Like I said before, on the 2011, 12, and 13, these are not replaceable. Now, in order to do this the right way, one must replace the whole harness, but we're not going to go that route because that is expensive, and I don't think the customer want to hear that. Okay, the only other option we have is to cut this, right? Cut this and find a way to connect the new terminals. That's even out of the question because we're not allowed to jimmy rig stuff. So what we're going to do is we're going to just make better connections with the terminals in place. The way you can pull that off, guys, I talked about this before. Just put this on there real good. Grab your socket with the same diameter as the terminal and just tap it on there, guys. And that will create some better contact. See what I mean? Here's an example right here. All you got to do is put a socket on there the same diameter and just tap on it. What you're doing is creating better contact points with that terminal and the battery. And from there, that should give you better connections. See, now we're a little tighter, so all we got to do now is tighten the bolt, guys.
This one's not even down.
Yeah, we already done this one. See that? Alright, so in essence, you may not need new terminals, but that is the way to go if you're faced with this situation. Alright, you do not want to spend, I don't know, $1,000 on an engine wiring harness if you do not have to. But it's only so much the human hand, it's only so tight the human hand can push down on terminals. So use a socket and a hammer and just tap on it. That way you will not, that way you can prolong this. I mean, you will essentially need these inevitably, but not right now. We're trying to make it last, right? Alright, thanks for watching.